You will be able to make money using your smartphone in only 3 simple steps, and you will be able to repeat this process repeatedly until you reach your financial goals. It is possible to make payments using various methods such as PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Paytm, and several other alternatives. This method may be used without the need for any special abilities or prior knowledge. Additionally, this is accessible across the globe. The website that we're going to use in this video is completely free, so you won't have to spend any money or make any investment to utilize it. So make sure you remain on the video and pay attention, because I'll give you extra advice in the video that will help you earn double, if not triple, the amount you're now making. Pay careful attention to the video and follow up with what it tells you, and you will undoubtedly be able to earn money online. This will be a straightforward method of making money online. I'll teach you how to generate money quickly using the most powerful and successful platforms available. If that's something you're interested in, continue to follow along and watch the video through to the conclusion. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. We'll dive right into the lesson without further delay. In this video, I'll show you a variety of applications that you may use to earn money online, including some that are free. This is the first app that I propose for you to download. It is called Big Time Cash. You can learn more about this app by visiting their website, and the website is winnergames.com. You may also download this software from the App Store or the Google Play Store. To begin using this app, pick from various games that are now popular and collect as many tickets as you can. The tickets you earn may be exchanged for cash at a later stage. The more tickets you acquire, the greater your chances of winning the cash rewards. Finally, the tickets are counted after the timer expires, and a random drawing selects a winner. As a result, you will be able to make money on this program in only 3 simple actions. In addition, you'll have a chance to earn even more money by participating in a drawing after the time limit has expired. You'll also view the number of users who have already downloaded and used the app. As a result, while you're on the Play Store or the App Store, double-check that you're downloading the correct app. If you scroll down below, you'll see the various reviews that different users have written about this app. You'll notice that this app has received highly positive feedback from many people. You can read through these reviews to determine how trustworthy and legitimate this app is. The app will provide you with tickets, which you can redeem for cash after you have finished playing. Here's an extra tip for you on how to use this application. Consider concentrating your efforts on one or a few games that pay well so that you don't waste your time playing mini games but making little money in the process. The Galactic Gateways is the game's name, and I would recommend that you concentrate your efforts on it. If you concentrate on one game, they will give you far more tickets, which will result in significantly more money. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you did. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment in the section below. That's going to be fantastic. That stated, it's time to go back to work and start earning some money. We have reached the end of this section of the video, and it is time for us to move on to the next app that we have. The next one is called Pogo, and you can find it on the website pogo.com if you want to play. Immediately upon arriving on their website, you will see that you may register for free, and in just a moment, I will demonstrate how to register on this particular website for you to use. It'll be a piece of cake. Consequently, be sure that you are paying attention to the video. Now, if you go to the website, you'll see that it has a greater selection of games and a large number of various categories from which you may pick to play. On the top left-hand side of the website, clicking on Games will take you to a page displaying the many kinds of games from which you may make money. Now, I want you to concentrate your efforts on this website on poker and solitaire games. According to the statistics, both of these games are among the most popular on the site. So make sure that you're concentrating your efforts on both of them, since doing so will provide the most money. So allow me to demonstrate one of these games to you. If you click on Solitaire, for example, you will be sent to a page that has additional information about the game, including instructions on how to play it and screenshots of what the game looks like. Consequently, browse over it and learn more about the game so that it will be simple for you to play. It is also critical that you be familiar with the game to succeed in these games, because the more the number of games you win, the greater the amount of money you will earn. Not to worry, even if you lose the game, you'll still be able to make money in some form or another. Now, if you're already prepared to play the game since you've gone over all of the information, you must click on the button that says Play to begin. By clicking on the link above, you will be taken to a website where you may start playing the game. But first, they'll bombard you with advertisements, so be sure you wait for the advertisements to finish before beginning to play the game. What's incredibly convenient about this is that you may do it using your phone or computer. So no matter where you are, all you have to do is take your phone or open your laptop and start playing games. Here's an additional suggestion for this website. You may visit the Pogo constellation and participate in the challenge. Go to this page and click on the Challenges tab above. Then on the Pogo constellation tab, this will enable you to earn a little more money. Once you've signed up for the challenge, all you have to do is check in and play games for the next 30 days. And every day that you check in, they'll be able to track your progress and you'll be able to win additional points, which means more money in your pocket. As a side note, the points earned on this site are Pogo points. Consequently, the more you have, the more you can convert into real cash. The tier you may get via this website is as follows. As a result, you'll also get more Pogo points for every tier you reach. As a result, create a habit of signing in every day to continue to enjoy the games on this site. To acquire these levels, you must first complete the following tasks. Here, you can see several tasks to choose from, and you can participate in each challenge if you want to earn more points over time. Just a short reminder, however, before we go on. Be sure to concentrate your efforts on the solitaire and poker games since they will earn you the most cash. Click on the Register button, and you'll be taken to the next page, where you can complete the registration process. Then, simply be sure to fill out all of the necessary information, such as your nationality and date of birth, and then click on the appropriate box to submit your application. After completing the registration process, you may begin playing games and earning money right away. Okay, the third and last app or website we'll address in this video is getpaid2.com. When you go to this website, you may click on the button that says Join Free today to register. When you visit this page, you will be able to enter your login, password, and any other requested information. Confirm that you are not a robot by clicking on I am not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions. Follow by clicking on Complete Registration. When you're through registering, you may look around the site and notice various games available. Every game you play here has the potential to earn you anything from $1 to $3 each game. So while you're on this website, concentrate on the game of football tricks, since it's the most rewarding in terms of money on the site. So of course, you may continue to play other games since, as you can see, there are several possibilities available. When it comes to payment alternatives, this site provides many options, so cashing out would not be a problem for anyone. The applications or websites that I propose for you to download and play games on to make money are now complete. You can begin visiting these sites or installing those apps and earning money just by playing games. That brings us to the end of today's demonstration. If you've made it this far, know that you will begin to earn money right now if you decide to take the next step. Never allow your emotions to take control of you. Get up and start performing anything I demonstrated in this video. If you've made it this far, you've concluded the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to visit with us. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. And while you're here, click to watch one of these two videos appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.